Have you ever lived with someone who made your life miserable and acted like you were the problem? Now imagine being trapped on a cruise ship with them. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. That was my life for months, thanks to one roommate and her earthquake-level snoring. But when she refused to fix it, I found a way to make her hear exactly what I had been living through. If you've ever dealt with a selfish roommate, or just love seeing karma hit loud and clear, hit that like button, subscribe, and settle in.